Welcome to Wednesday's newscast. I'm Jennifer Vong. Coming up, behind the 2020 Sonata styling. But we'll begin with your morning headlines. Chevrolet unveiling redesigned versions of the Tahoe and Suburban in Detroit on Tuesday. The full-size SUVs are getting more space for cargo and rear seat passengers as part of a major redesign for the 2021 model year. The changes include 10 inches of added legroom in the third row of the Tahoe and 19% more maximum cargo capacity for the Suburban. The SUVs will come with GM's next-generation digital vehicle platform, which monitors the health of the vehicle, supports over-the-air updates, and enhances cybersecurity protection. They will also have advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking and forward collision alert. Here's GM CEO Mary Barra.
The Suburban and the Tahoe are iconic products. We're very proud of them, of what they've achieved in the marketplace. The customers, they've continued to win their long history, and this really is taking it to the next level. When you look at from the fuel efficiency, from the cargo storage, from the focus on the customer seating, the technology, the safety, I mean, every single dimension of these vehicles have been improved. So I can't wait to get customers into them.
The SUVs will go on sale in mid-2020. Pricing was not announced. Staying with product, Volkswagen says a refreshed Atlas crossover will pick up many of the styling and technology refinements of the two-row Atlas Crossport, which VW revealed this fall. The three-row 2021 Atlas will have a new front facade, updated LED lighting, upgraded infotainment system, and new driver assistance features. The refreshed Atlas will be shown at the Chicago Auto Show in February. It's said to be in showrooms by May. Fiat Chrysler hourly workers wrap up voting on a tentative contract with the automaker today. So far, workers have supported the deal in large numbers. Among the results, workers at Kokomo, Tipton, and Indiana transmission plants, and Trenton Engine and Marysville Axle in Michigan voted in favor of the deal. Production workers at Toledo Assembly in Ohio narrowly rejected the contract, but skilled trades workers approved it. Be sure to stay with Autonews.com for the latest results. And Porsche has taken down payments from 30,000 customers in Europe for the all-electric Taycan, and about a third of them have placed a firm order to buy the sports car. CEO Oliver Blume telling the German newspaper Handelsblatt that the demand has exceeded the automaker's expectations. Porsche has been taking refundable deposits of nearly $3,000 for the EV. The Taycan is expected to start arriving at U.S. dealerships this month. The redesigned 2020 Hyundai Sonata hits U.S. showrooms this month amid a soft car market. But the Korean brand is hoping the sedan's bolder look with premium design elements will attract buyers from other segments. As our Lawrence Iliff reports, the 2020 Sonata draws inspiration from the popular 2011 model, which surprised the industry with its sleek lines. Compared with the current car, the new Sonata sits lower on its new platform with a more coupe-like silhouette. And it includes exterior styling cues that were once limited to luxury cars because they required costly manufacturing techniques. Take, for example, the hood. It flows all the way down to the grille without the need for a horizontal cut line between it and the front fascia. That makes the hood longer, a design element associated with Aston Martin, but it complicates the assembly. Hak Soo-ha, head of the Hyundai Interior Design Group, says the extra effort was worth it. That's because the flowing hood sets the Sonata apart from rivals such as the Toyota Camry, Honda Accord, and Nissan Altima in the shrinking but still competitive midsize car segment. Finally, a first shift flashback. 6 years ago yesterday, General Motors named Mary Barra as CEO, making her the first female chief executive in the global automotive industry. That wraps up today's newscast. We'll see you back here tomorrow morning. Take care.